We're going to talk about the broadband. This is part of Jansport's digital collection. It's a great commuter pack, and it's going to store and protect all of your electronic gear. This bag has 30 liters of capacity and is constructed of a 400 denier nylon. Going around to the back here, we have a really nice plush, fully padded back panel with a nice mesh on it for breathability. These shoulder straps have dual density foam as well as a really nice spacer mesh on the underside. Sternum strap to stabilize your load, as well as this really industrial grade elasticized pocket here. You can fit items in here quickly while you're on the go. Nice seatbelt webbing haul loop on the top. Going around to the side of the pack, we have dual water bottle pockets. So the main feature of this pack is on the top here. This is a dedicated laptop compartment. It zips out for easy access, especially if you're at airport security. This is fully padded, 360 degrees of protection. So this carries up to a 17-inch laptop. Right, getting into the main compartment here. This is your big dump zone for all your big items. But on the front, we have a zippered mesh compartment here. It's great for storage of all your cords and cables. Moving around to the front of the bag, this is your organizer panel. Really nice organizer, again with that elasticized organizer pockets. These will stretch out to accommodate various sizes of items you might put in here. Also another slot pocket for cables and a pen loop. In front of that, we have a quick access Napoleon pocket here. Right above that pocket, we have our dedicated tablet pocket, which is easily accessible from the front of your bag. We have another compartment up here at the top. Here you can access another organizer compartment with your elasticized bands, great for pen loops or cords or cables or USB sticks. This is also a great spot to put your headphones because this is a fully padded compartment on the top here. And last, a quick stash compartment here that is fully soft lined, so great for sunglasses. So that's the broadband, and as always, guaranteed for life.
All right, I'm gonna show you here the DigiBrake. This is based on our classic Super Brake silhouette. It's been outfitted to carry and organize and protect all your digital gear. So this thing is 25 liters and it's made out of 600 denier polyester. That's nice, lightweight and abrasion resistant. So back of the pack, you're gonna find your standard straight cut shoulder straps that are fully padded, as well as a fully padded back panel and a haul loop. In the main compartment here, this is where you're gonna find your 15-inch laptop sleeve. On the front, you'll notice this quick drop pocket here. Got a nice secret tablet pocket here that is fully plush lined as well as padded. And then we've got your accessory pocket up here. This is where you're gonna find your org panel. We've got a nice big pocket here for carrying cords or other little items, and some pen pockets here, and another nice little space of capacity for quick grab items. So that's it, that's the DigiBrake. It's always backed by our lifetime guarantee.
All right, today we're gonna take a look at the Digital Student. It's a large capacity bag. It'll organize all of your digital gear. It comes in at 38 liters and is constructed of a 600 denier polyester. Go around to the back panel. We have a fully padded back panel, ergonomic S-curve shoulder straps with a nice soft lining on the underside, a quick grab haul loop on the top. One of the great features of this pack is a zipper on the top which accesses your dedicated laptop compartment. Inside we have a removable laptop sleeve. The removable sleeve is fully padded and fits a 15-inch laptop. It also has a webbing and Velcro keeper on the top to keep things secure. Moving around to the side, we have a water bottle pocket. And this is just access to your main compartment. It's just one big giant dump zone. You can fit your gym clothes, your jacket, your books, anything you need throughout the day. On the front of the pack, we have another zipper compartment here with our organizer panel. Get some slots and pen loops. In front of that, quick access Velcro pocket here. Great for your power bricks. It also has a keychain on the front. So above that front compartment is a dedicated tablet compartment. And lastly, above that is a really quick zippered access pocket for your smaller items. So that's it for the Digital Student. It comes in a variety of really cool colors and prints, and is always backed by our lifetime guarantee. We're gonna take a look at the platform. It's part of our digital collection. It's a 25-liter backpack and comes in a wide variety of premium quality fabrics. On the bottom panel, this is constructed of a 840 ballistic nylon, which is super durable and abrasion resistant. Going around to the back first, we have a fully padded back panel, ergonomic S-curve shoulder straps, and these are built with a dual density foam, so it has a lot of loft and cushion. And on the top here is a webbing haul loop. Going to the side of the bag, you have expandable gusseted pocket here for water bottles, and when you're not using it, it'll lay flat on the bag. Getting into the main pocket here, you'll see a 15-inch padded laptop sleeve that has an asymmetrical cut, so you can access your laptop really easily. A great feature on this pack is this zippered pocket on the top here that has a soft lining, so it's a great place to store your sunglasses or any other fragile items. And the great thing about this pocket is that it utilizes the dead space on the top of your pack, so the gear in your bag doesn't get in the way of the contents of this pocket. Moving into the front pocket here, you'll find your organizer panel. This has a padded tablet sleeve that holds up to a 10-inch tablet, and a 3-pocket organizer in front of that. On this side is a soft lining, which is great to store your smartphone or any other electronics. Moving around to the front of the bag, you have 2 zippered pockets. One vertical zipper here, which runs across the width of the bag. And this is a great pocket for storing any flat items like a notebook or a journal. And an asymmetrical zip pocket here. Inside of this pocket is a mesh divider, great for storing your batteries or cord chargers. And on the top here, there's a key clip. This bag also has easy-to-use speed pullers for all main zippers. So that's it for the platform backpack. Today we're going to be talking about the Hatchet. This is a sweet-looking backpack. It's part of our outside collection, which is highly versatile and functional the minute you step out the door. It's a 28-liter bag. It's constructed of 600 denier polyester. First of all, we'll go to the back. We have a really nice, fully padded back panel, S-curve shoulder straps with a soft mesh on the underside, a sternum strap, which is great for securing your heavier loads. Run to the front of the pack. This bag has a nice U-shaped top opening, which allows you to get into the pack really easily. Once you open it, you have a big space to get into all your gear. We have our 15-inch laptop sleeve. It's fully padded. In the front of that, we have our padded and soft-lined tablet pocket. And in front of that, we have a really nice organizer. It's called our mountain organizer. It's got our anodized carabiner key clip, as well as multiple storage options, and a mesh little storage pocket in the front so you can see other smaller items. On the underside of the flap is a really sweet mesh zipper compartment. This is where you can see all of your items in it. And on the other side, we have another zipper compartment here. This is where I keep my wallet or anything else I need. All right, going to the side of the bag, we have dual water bottle pockets. On this side, we have a zippered quick stash pocket here. This is where I like to keep my power brick or any other batteries I need. Also, there's a side compression strap here. You can use this to compress the load closer to your back panel, or you could just use it to stash things. I tend to put like a pair of flip-flops there and ratchet it down. So moving around to the front of the bag, we have a medium-sized zipper compartment here. Great little storage section here if you want to keep things separate from your main compartment. On the front of the bag, there's also these really great faux leather lashing points. This one in particular I use to clip my bike light to. And so that's it. It's a great looking bag. It's the Hatchet from Jansport. As always, backed by a lifetime guarantee.